Is your phone acting strange? Does your laptop feel like someone else is watching? You could be a victim of spyware and not even know it. In this video, we'll show you how to detect spyware before it's too late. Spyware hides in plain sight, stealing your data, tracking your movements, and recording your conversations. Let's uncover the 5 major warning signs that spyware may be secretly running on your device. 1. Rapid battery drain. Spyware works 24/7 in the background, draining your battery even when you're not using your device. If your battery suddenly dies faster than usual, it might not be aging, it could be spying. 2. Device overheating. Is your phone or laptop heating up abnormally, even when idle? Spyware can force your processor to run non-stop, leading to overheating. That heat could be the result of unwanted surveillance. 3. Strange apps or files. Have you found apps or files you didn't install? Spyware often disguises itself under random names. Check your app list and file manager regularly, and delete what doesn't belong. 4. High data usage. Spyware sends your information to third parties constantly. A sudden spike in data usage could mean your personal info is being uploaded without your consent. 5. Weird behavior. Does your camera light flash randomly? Apps open on their own? Or your mic activates when you're not using it? That's not a glitch, that's spyware. How to scan and remove spyware. To detect spyware, use trusted anti-malware tools like Malwarebytes or Bitdefender. Review your app permissions. Disable camera and mic access for suspicious apps. If things get worse, do a factory reset, but back up your clean files first. Avoid flashing your phone if possible. Spyware is sneaky, but you can beat it. Stay alert, scan often, and protect your privacy. Want more tips on cybersecurity? Subscribe to Blemma CyberGuard and turn on notifications. Your digital safety starts here.